Abo Kabalin. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, guys, another generous business partner sent us these amazing food and refreshments. So ang business partner natin for today's vlog is Lockdown Barbecue. So let me give a rundown of their menu. Actually, pinadala nila yung menu sa atin. And yung menu nila is all of these actually. So again, thank you so much Lockdown Barbecue for being such a generous business partner for this vlog. So let me give a rundown, guys. Meron po tayong Liempo barbecue, which is this one. Meron din tayong chicken barbecue, which is this. And then meron din tayong Lockdown SISIG. I guess this is one of their flagship product, which is the Lockdown SISIG. Meron din tayong lechon kawali. There you go, which is this. And then in front of me, meron tayong fried chicken. Ayan po. Wow, that looks really tasty. And then meron din tayong, guys, this is the star of this vlog. Meron tayong crispy pata in the middle. Check that out. This is so huge. I can't wait to taste it later. And then dito sa far left ko, meron naman tayong Patatim chop. Ayan. So the entire menu will be flashed on your screen so that you can have an idea kung magkano po yung mga serving nila. And now let's go to the refreshments. Meron po tayong mango, sagot gulaman, Milo, buko pandan, coffee, and strawberry. Yung mga products po na hindi nila napadala pero available po sa kanila, yung kanilang mga ready to cook. So available din po ang Liempo barbecue and as well as chicken barbecue. So guys, I won't postpone your excitement. Let's get into the details. Tikman na natin itong mga pinadala nila one by one. And I think I'm gonna go first with this one. So itong tinatawag nilang lechon kawali. Let me dip it here. Oh wow! Lechon kawali. Super duper crispy. And at the same time, it has a great flavor. Hindi lang siya yung plain na lechon kawali. Okay, so grabe ang dami nito, guys. I would like to taste next is yung kanilang patatim. Alright, so guys, this is just a portion of the chopped patatim. If I can identify correctly, no, so meron siya parang pineapples. I can also smell the star anise and grabe, lots and loads of pork meat. Patatim niya talaga. Oh wow, that was really tender. Grabe, ang sarap. Namimiss ko tuloy ang kanin. Kanin na lang ang kulang dito. Anyway, so let's proceed, guys. I'm gonna taste yung Lockdown SISIG nila again. From the name itself, I think it's one of their flagship product. Wow, I really love my job, guys. This is Lockdown SISIG. Let's taste it. Wow, this is the Kapampangan SISIG. Doesn't have any egg. Plain and simple, calamansi, pork meat, sibuyas. Wow, guys, kanin na lang talagang buwan dito. So before we proceed, guys, I want to clean my palate with a refreshment. I think I'm gonna go for coffee. Yeah, I think it's an appropriate, refreshment. So yung coffee nila, I think has parang jelly at the bottom. Yan. Let's taste it. That is a fine, strong, and a creamy coffee refreshment. Yun actually yung gusto ko sa mga kape. Let me set this aside here. Tingnan naman natin itong Liempo barbecue. Alright, Liempo barbecue. Wow. So actually hindi ko pa nauubos yun sa bibig ko. I really want another piece. This one actually is very tender. So, ang lambot niya, guys. That Liempo barbecue, it's an absolute must try. You gotta order that one. So guys, I wanna taste next is yung kanilang chicken barbecue. So I guess it has the same sausawan naman, barbecue sauce. Then good bat of the barbecue sauce straight to our mouth. Grabe, what can I say? Yung chicken barbecue nila, it's like evenly marinated, no? The entire piece of the chicken is like pare-pareho yung kulay. I think that's a sign of, a well-marinated piece of meat. This is gonna be the last food that I'm gonna be tasting. Let's try first the balat. As soon as you get a portion of it, na maririnig mo talaga yung cracklings ng balat niya. Anyway, so let me dip it here. Ito yung balat. Sa kanilang crispy pata sausawan. Whew! Grabe guys! Again, Lockdown Barbecue, I wanna thank you and appreciate you for being such a generous to us. If you like the food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Let's go to Lockdown Barbecue's fan page and give them an appreciation. Give them a like, please guys. And again, if you like the food that you saw in this video, please guys, order from Lockdown Barbecue. They're gonna really satisfy you. They are located po sa Timog, Angeles City, and if you're, near that vicinity, it's gonna be accessible to you. At the same time, available po yung kanilang delivery. So thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. I hope to see you in the next video. I'm gonna enjoy this off cam. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.